Recording in progress.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Falah Abdurrohman and my name is 2006051100079. I'm from F class at English course, the second English course in Malang. And in this video, I will answer the additional task that given by my lecturer, Ms. Ida. So the task is I have to find some text in the internet that discuss about informatic engineering that have maximum weight is 5 paragraphs. So let's just go to the text. PyScript is a Python front-end framework that enables us to construct Python program using an HTML interface in the browser. In the last couple of decades, Python has advanced UI language like modern HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It has now worked in collaboration. Python lacks a simple mechanism to create everything UI as from simply packaging and deploying apps that make it easy and fun to learn. While current HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can have a steep learning curve, allowing Python to utilize HTML, CSS, and JavaScript convention solve not only two problems, but also those related to web application development, packaging, distribution, and deployment. And for those users who use Python now have the freedom to add data as well as data science and other in web HTML. And for web developer, you can also make your website more interesting by increasing data with PyScript that can attract users to use the website that you make. Even so, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and so on will not be replaced by it because this is a collaboration that is quite booming in 2022. Okay, the second one is I have to summarize the text with my own language. So PyScript is a new script from the programming language commonly used to manage data, but here there is a big collaboration that supports the use of PyScript in the web development. Of course, with the PyScript, data management on the web will be much easier and will also have a positive impact on both parties, namely for Python users and for web developers. The third is I have to find the main ID of each paragraph. So in the text is there are two paragraphs, and the first paragraph is PyScript is a Python front-end framework that enables us to construct Python program using an HTML interface in the browser. The second paragraph is, and for those users who use Python now have the freedom to add data as well as data science and other in web HTML. The last one is I have to find the 5 pronoun and give analysis where it refers to. So the first one is us. PyScript is a Python front-end framework that enables us to construct Python program using an HTML. Us is refers to the writer and the reader who use Python or a web developer. The second one is it. It have not worked in collaboration. It is refers to the Python UI and the advanced UI language like modern HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They never work in collaboration. Then the third is for simply packaging and deploying apps that make it easy and fun to learn. It is refers to Python that can simply packaging and deploying apps. It refers to Python maybe. Then the fourth is, and for web developer, you can also make your website more interesting by increasing data with PyScript that can attract users to use the website that you make. You is refers to a web developer, or it can also refers to the reader. Then the last one is it, replaced by it because it's a collaboration that's quite booming in 2022. Even so, JavaScript, it is refers to Python that can replace JavaScript, HTML, and the other. So it is reversed to Python. Okay, that's from me. Thank you.